Hello everyone. So today we have Volkswagen Jetta. It's the radio only from 1980s, maybe late 70s. So we kept all original looks, but we did manage to install the Bluetooth in this one also. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. Okay.
Here it is so cute.
If you can't love yourself, how in the heck?
Okay, let's see how it looks in the dark. Camera don't focus green color, but all the buttons light up. Okay. So in order to activate the Bluetooth, U is FM mode, M is middle wave, which we don't use any longer. So instead we install the Bluetooth. So in order to activate the Bluetooth, simply press M, and now Bluetooth is activated. You can go to your cell phone, go to Bluetooth, turn it on, wait a couple seconds. Here it is. Now the Bluetooth is connected. Now you can go to YouTube and play any music you want. Cool, right? It's really basic radio, it's nothing much to show. Try another song. And very simple to use. When you want to back to your regular radio, to FM mode, simply press U and you back to radio again. Okay, thumbs up.